Hi, good morning. My name is Michael Vinyadai. I'm the business coach. This morning, I want us to look at problem and solution. The problem you are trying to solve in your business. That's why you establish the business. But if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification button for more. Also share for others to enjoy. Now, we all start businesses. We all start companies, organizations, because we identify a problem in society and we want to solve. It can be non-profit, it can be profit-making. But it's because you've seen a gap, it's because you've seen a need. That is why you set up that business. Now, the mistake most of us make is that we identify the problem, but we don't do further work. We don't seek to understand the problem. We don't seek to understand what needs to be done. Then we come up with our solutions, and we are so in love with the solution. So sometimes we tend to miss the mark. We tend not to be addressing the need of the client or the customer. This morning I want to advise you, fall in love with the problem. Fall in love with the problem. If I say fall in love with the problem, what do I mean? Pay more attention to the problem you are trying to solve. Pay more attention to it. Seek to understand. Get facts. Get the history. Get the background of the problem. And try to understand the problem from the client point of view before you start to develop the solution. When you do that, we are going to address the need of the clients. You provide value which they will be willing to pay for. But most of the time, we think that we are addressing the problem. Then we sit in our rooms, we don't put ourselves in the position of the client. So we develop solutions for ourselves. And we try to push it down the throat of the clients. It doesn't work that way. In fact, the best way is to develop the solution with the clients. So you talk to them, you try to understand them, you try to see what they are feeling, you try to see their pain points. You understand the gap. So do more work on the problem, trying to understand it. And with that, naturally, the solutions will come. Pay attention to your client. Pay attention to what they are saying. Pay attention to their reactions. Give them opportunity to give you feedback. And you'll be in good business. I hope 2023 we'll start to do some right things to make more money. If today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification button for more. Also share for others to enjoy. Thank you.